Hello, I'm Greg with iSmart Payments and here with Apollo with his restaurant. He is using our little pay anywhere machine and the name of the restaurant is
Celeste Bite.
tell us a little bit about your restaurant.
We have I got a lot of history. Starting from Michelangelo in Sugar House '95. Then I moved out from Utah 2004. I sold the restaurant. I come back. I opened this one over here, Celeste Restaurant in Murray. And we got a lot of success. A lot of people know us. We have plenty of journalists. This is New York Times over here. We got Salt Lake Tribune, we got another Salt Lake Magazine, we got plenty. I don't have any more space to put it on. So this is our menu change approximately every couple of days. We do like a small batch. So small batch means equal fresh food. When some items run out, we're going to switch to a new one. Like last week we used to have lasagna. This week we have fettuccine, bolognese. Last week we used to have pappardelle. This week I got fresh ravioli, homemade fresh ravioli. And then fusilli pasta. We have chicken cacciatore this week. Last week we used to have salmon. So it's going to be like that, up and down, and then change here in the menu often. I think it's a good idea because people find all the ways, new things to try, to enjoy.
What's a real popular dish?
Over here, the most popular is fettuccine bolognese. Everybody likes it. Ma ravioli also,
And what's the ravioli filled with?
Ravioli, this one is butternut squash ricotta in a tomato sauce.
That's the one that we're going to have.
Tomato basil sauce.
We're going to have some of that here in just a little bit. I'm going to send you a picture of it.
And then we have the pastry. I just made it. This is a little profiterole on top. And then we have the tiramisu. And then tomorrow we're going to make more. The homemade focaccia there. I got some meringue in the oven if you want to come in. Maybe you can see meringue in the oven here. That we're going to give like a treat to our customer when people come and enjoy our food. We're going to treat them with some meringue, chocolate, pistachio, bang.
Well, we're going to have to get one of those too. Come see Paulo at Celestial Bite off 27th East at about 44th South. Tell them to break it. Mind you, pay the same thing.
44 South.
44th South.